Good morning. I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another story for kids. In this story, we're going to join Peppa Pig in another journey. Let's jump to the story. Sports Day. Today is School Sports Day. Peppa and her friends are all here. The first event is running. The children have to run as fast as they can. Ready, steady, go, says Madame Gazelle. Susie and Peppa are chatting about who can run the fastest. Replica Rabbit is in the lead. Peppa and Susie are right at the back. Replica Rabbit wins the race, of course. Hooray, everyone cheers. Peppa and Susie are last. It's not the winning that matters, Daddy Pig reminds them, but the taking part. George and Richard Rabbit have to run and then jump as far as they can. Whoever jumps the furthest is the winner. Ready, steady, go! The next event is the long jump, says Madame Gazelle. Old Richard Rabbit has jumped further than George. Hooray, shout all his friends. George is not happy. Remember, George, says Peppa, it's not the winning that matters, but the taking part. The next race is the relay. Daddy Pig is in the lead. He hands the baton to Peppa. Thank you, Daddy. You did very well. Now it's my turn too. Begins Peppa. Stop talking and run, snorts Daddy Pig. Emily Elephant is the winner. Everyone cheers. Hooray! Peppa comes last. She's not feeling happy. It's the last event of the day. The tug of war. Boys against girls. The girls will win, snorts Peppa. Oof. No, they won't, says Danny. Everyone is pulling so hard. The rope breaks. The result is a draw. Both teams win, says Madame Gazelle. Everyone cheers. Hooray! I love School Sports Day, snorts Peppa, especially when I win a prize. That's the end of this story. I hope you like it. Please, please, please read it or show it to your kids and teach them some vocabulary in this story. This is going to help them love stories, and if they love stories, they will develop this vision in their mind to read books and be able to visualize adventures and see where they can see themselves in the future. That's the whole purpose of reading stories. I remember that my dad used to buy kids' stories for me. And when I grew up, I started reading kids' stories to myself, and then I'm reading these stories to you. So I'm still holding the beacon of reading stories and getting inspired, visualizing and having a vision of the importance of reading stories. So if you want to improve your kids' acquisition of language, learning vocabulary, thinking of building their future persona, please read them a story every day. They're not going to cost you a lot of time or money, but they're going to build their personality. I'm reading the story to kids, but keep in mind that the majority of words here are used and common among native speakers and non-native speakers of English in their adulthood. Keep that in mind. مدرب اللغة وليد خالد.